Hello, this is the second part of our trip to Gramvousa in Balos. The first part was the visit at the Paradies Gramvousa, I'm sorry. And now we will arrive in Balos. When someone wants to show Balos, mostly you can see Balos from up from the hill, so you can see the beauty of Balos, but here we can see how it is when you will arrive by boat to Balos, and look how clear and how beautiful the water is. So the boat arrives on the right side. There is a small pier, and this is the moment when we arrive at this pier, and look how beautiful the water is. It's really like in the books. So, and then after we arrive at the pier, we have to walk a little bit. So we walk on the right side next to the sea, and the walk until the beach is about 5-6 minutes, and then you can stop and lie on your towel, or you can rent a place there for resting. So this is the way, and on the left side, as we can see here, is the sea, and on the right side is a kind of here, because it's the water is very it's very less inside, so it's very hot. The water is very hot, and there is a small place in the front side between the sea and the water on the right side, so it goes slowly to the sea. But here on the right side, it's very interesting to walk because it's very hot. You can walk to the other side. There are small pieces. My child called them islands. So you can walk there, and it's very beautiful to walk around. And I think that every minute in Balos you can really have a fun time, and you can enjoy it. To swim there is of course very refreshing, and you have to have with you some masks because it's very beautiful to see down in the water. So here again is the right side as we had walked at the beginning. So many people go to the other side and check the side out. The water is not so clean there because, you know, it stands just there. So this is again the left side. We can see the pirate island in front of us at the left side, and the people of course are enjoying their swimming, and the water is not so deep, so to swim you just have to go a few meters inside the water. Here you can see the people, that it's not so deep. So this is the area with the rocks, and exactly behind us is the area with the sand. But it's better to lie here on the rocks because it doesn't smell, so you have fresh air, and you have to prefer this area to lie, and you can easily swim in the water. And now I will show you the area between the sea and the small part on the right side where the water goes inside. This is the part. So this is the right side, as we said before, and here it goes to the seaside. So yes, and here we can see the pink color sometimes in the sand. It's very beautiful. And this is the... Oh, I'm looking very thick here. Wow. You see those pink pixels in the water, and this is the side where you can sit in the sand, but really it smells a little bit, so prefer to lie on the rocks. I hope that you get a little bit how it is in Balos, and of course I suggest a daily trip there because it's very beautiful, even if there are many people, but you can choose where to you lie down. So I hope that you had enjoyed, and subscribe my channel if you like, and thanks a lot for everything, for your comments and for everything. Bye.